If you're a water utility, you know. Your systems are getting old, real fast. So you've got to get real smart, even faster, to adapt and innovate for a sustainable future. You also know everything in water happens somewhere, and since getting location right is critical, you can rely on Esri to deliver an intelligent water system. We're always ahead of the curve, because R&D is our DNA. You'll get the most advanced capabilities from the world leader in location technology. With our integrated GIS platform and widespread partner network, you get access to groundbreaking solutions to help manage the entire water operation. You can create a true digital twin of your network, showing connections that match the real world. Spatial tools manage critical assets to improve reliability and life cycles. And the largest selection of mobile field apps on the market help streamline data collection, routing, and navigation. When every moment matters, real-time monitoring helps you make quick decisions to restore, recover, and reduce water outages. Plus, with access to the living atlas of the world, you get more maps, apps, and data than anywhere else. You also get spatial analytics that use IoT, machine learning, and AI, so you can see, analyze, and solve problems before they happen. With Esri location technology, you'll have everything you need to move out of the dark ages into a sustainable future. That's real smart.